In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new watercolour set. A company called Grabie reached out to me for me to try out their watercolours. So let's have a look and see what this is like. It seems like you get a few pieces, a few things in the box. Let's have a look. So it includes this watercolour swatch chart. I love this idea where you can swatch out all the colours. In this box we have a rubber, a pencil sharpener, and also includes 3 brushes. They're very small, but they might be good for some really fine, tiny, detailed work. Now let's have a look at these watercolours. Wow, this is a really nice vibrant set of 100 colours, includes 50 regular colours, 35 metallic, 5 fluorescent and 10 macaron colours. I also missed something in this box. We have a water brush pen, which is ideal for travelling. You just add water in this part and you can paint on the go. Okay, let's get set up for painting. I've never tried these watercolours before, so let's see what we can create. Okay, so that's my first attempt at using these Grabie watercolours. I quite like how it's turned out, and I really like the amount of colour options that you have. If you'd like to give these a try, I have a 15% discount code for you in the link in my description.